This is the Guittard brand Cocoa Rouge or red cocoa powder. It is a Dutch processed cocoa powder. It's kept in good condition for quite a long time due to this actual packaging design. This is the main cocoa powder we use in our household for baking specifically, especially making chocolate cakes and cookies and brownies. One thing I will note is that the package is a little hard to open. You actually have to pop it open with either your nails or the handle of a spoon, but it smells exactly like brownies and chocolate cookies. I mean, it's Dutch processed, so it's kind of standardized to be a little less acidic. It has this really deep kind of chocolatey scent and flavor. I'm going to show you what it actually looks like straight out of the packaging. It's a really fine grind of cocoa powder, so it's got this light red color. It's not like a super deep red, but it does have a really deep flavor and it's a really consistent product. I also love that it's free from product, so if you have any kind of allergies, it's free from nuts, even in the processing facilities. So again, airtight, so really easy to store even at room temp, but you may need to lever it open a little bit, and really, really great for baking specifically, but also for making hot cocoa.